Gina with WTI. I've been using this loose leaf tea from VAHDAM and it is such good quality. You can tell this is high quality tea because this is not tea dust. You can actually see the leaves and I love that. It tells me that I'm getting something that is really good tasting. I like to use these fabric disposable tea bags with my VAHDAM loose leaf tea. Reason I like that is because I can pre-make them for my husband so that when he makes me tea, he doesn't have to worry about the proportions. He can just make it with the already made tea bags. I generally do 2.5 teaspoons of the loose leaf in that bag in a 14-ounce cup of boiling water, and it just makes a really nice strong cup of tea, but not to the point where I get the jitters. I like to have a little bit of cream and sweetener in mine, helps to bring out the really full flavor of the tea. I thought it was really cool that this comes vacuum sealed with an extra bag and label, and you can just put it inside that and it keeps the tea nice and fresh for everyday use. I really enjoy having a cup every single day, and that's my point of view.